Hello, my PC students. We're going to do another assignment called Prize for Artistic Merit, and again it's working with percentages. So let's go to File, click on File, go to Open, and go to Browse, and go to your Classes drive. So I want to go to Classes, go to your PC folder, and go to Teaching Docs. And we want to open up the one called XX Artistic Merit. So double click on that one. And so first of all, let's go to View, let's go to Zoom and put in 140, as that's working well for us. And now I also think that we've got Calibre size 12, so that's great. Okay, so here first of all, we are asked to calculate the total number of votes received by each person. All right, so instantly you would tell me to click in cell C6, you would say click here in cell E10 and you have the blank column and you want to sum it, you would go Alt equals and there's your total votes like that for each individual. Now it said calculate the total votes for all the artists. All right, so you would have equal sum and you would want to total all of the votes for the artists, and you got 20,041. Okay, now it says format them to no, that's the percentage. Here your numbers you want to be accounting format. So right click, go to Format Cells, and we want accounting, but we want no $sign and we want 0 decimal places because they're votes. You can't have half a vote. So say OK. All right, and now I'm going to click here and pick up a paintbrush and paint this one to match. All right, what percent did Corey Hart get of the total votes? All right, so equals how much did Corey Hart get as compared to means divide, and by the total votes E13 has to be absolute. All right, and then you're going to grab your fill handle and drag down. All right, you want your percent and you want 2 decimal places. And so now you have, if we look at your formula, you see that you have E6 by the total, E7 by the total, E8 by the total, E9 by the total, E10. So you've done that correctly. All right, Control left single quote so that you're back to your document. All right, you can put on the headers and footers for this document. I don't need to do that, and we'll stop right there. Oh, save your work. Oh, I never saved it at all. Hold on. Let's go File, Save As, go to Browse, go to your U drive, go to Print Com, go to Excel. All right, and now click in your file name box, press Home, type in your name and the current date for you. Mine is October 1st, and press Enter. And you can check your title bar and it has been saved. All right, we'll stop there.